Okay, so one of the new features here at Diabolical is we've added spin handles to the folding top. This allows us to eliminate 4 of the quick release pins, so it's a little bit easier to use, and it also takes away some of the rattle from the pins themselves. So the spin handles, this is the rear top panel, it's the small one. You'll see that there's a PEM bolt coming through. The next iteration will be using a carriage bolt coming through a hole, so keep that in mind. But this is gonna go right over this bolt. So we're gonna put a washer down first, and if you put it to where it's the rounded edge down, that way as it spins, it's not scratching the powder coat. Put the handle over it, put another washer and then the nut on it, and you can tighten that down pretty snug. You'll be able to adjust how tight you want that, so it's easy to spin or hard to spin. And this part goes underneath the side frame when it's in place. So when you're taking it on and off, the spin handle will be like this. When you lock it, it'll be just like that. So I'm gonna put the other ones on real quick. Round edge of the washer down first, round edge of the washer down again, and then tighten this one up. If you find that when you put this on, if the spin handle itself, where it goes under the frame, is hitting the frame just a little bit, take the handle off and add a second washer first, so it makes the handle sit higher. So again, this will go just like that. It's a little snug. I'll loosen it up just a little. Makes it easier for doing this. It's not too loose. And then we'll move over to this side. We'll do the same thing. Round edge of the washer down first. Round edge of the washer down again. Put on your nylock nut, and remember that you're using the nylock nuts that come in the bag specific with the hardware for the spin handle. These PEM studs themselves, this model is actually a metric bolt. So these are metric nylock nuts. When we go to the carriage bolts, those will be a regular 1/4 inch diameter hole. So put that on. If the powder coat's a little thick in the hole, just take a 1/4 inch drill bit and just open it up a little bit. That's all you have to do. And there's your spin handles on your folding top.